I'm going to show you guys how I made this delicious, lovely looking fried rice and chicken, so that you can also make yours for Christmas Day dinner or Christmas Eve dinner. So let's jump right into it. So right here on the pot, I have mixed vegetables cooking. Like, I just kind of fried it. I have rice that I just boiled. I boiled this rice with the chicken stock. Then I fried some shrimps, eggs, and chicken hearts. Like, you can also use what kind of meat you like, either chicken liver or normal liver or heart. I saw the chicken heart and I picked it up because I really liked it. And I have fried plantain going on. Like, who doesn't love that? So basically what I did was I boiled up all the chicken, the turkey gizzard, and then I laid it in my baking tray with parchment paper and put it in the oven for 250 degrees for about 30 minutes. And that's it. So right here, I just combined my parboiled rice, like rice that was pre-cooked, with the mixed vegetables that I had already fried, with the shrimp that I fried, the egg I also fried, and the chicken heart that was also fried. And you have it there, your beautiful, beautiful fried rice. And right here you have your beautiful, beautiful chicken, oven roasted, very healthy, to go with it. So like, this right here is so delicious, especially the fried rice with the shrimp in it, with the egg, and pairing it again with plantain. Like, oh, this is so lovely, so delicious. So I go over the ingredients again. You just need onions, oil, and mixed vegetables like peas, carrots, green beans. Fry that up with sweet corn as well, and just mix it all with your pre-cooked rice. Like I said, I cooked the rice with the chicken stock, like the water from the cooked chicken, and it was so delicious. So all right, so serve this to your family on Christmas Day or Christmas Eve with some chicken, some turkey gizzard if you can find, or any other protein of your choice, any other meat of your choice, with some fried plantain, aka dodo. And enjoy this amazing, lovely, delicious meal with your family on Christmas Day or Christmas Eve. And let me know in the comment section what you think about it. Like, did you make it? Will you make it? Sorry. Will you make it? And just let me know in the comment section what you think. Like, this right here is so delicious. I wish you guys can like eat it from the screen, but I know you can. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.